Friends, we have got a brand new video over on Fusion Body Studio with senior teacher Todd Roderick. This is a Yoga Strong yoga drills video, all levels, 30 minutes. In this video, senior teacher Todd Roderick takes people through particular movements that should help empower you in your yoga practice. Even though Todd is an Ashtanga practitioner and teacher, these yoga drills are good for any type of lineage. These yoga drills can also help with any other form of movement, as in these drills, Todd is mainly focusing on movement in the core and in the hips, making sure the hips and the core stay nice and strong. Todd himself has been a dedicated student of Ashtanga Yoga since 1995, and he is the most experienced Ashtanga teacher in the southeastern United States. Beginning in 1997, Todd started his journey over into Mysore, India to study at the Ashtanga Yoga Research Institute. During his time there, Todd studied directly under the late guru Sri K. Pattabhi Jois and Sharat Jois. In 1998, Sri K. Pattabhi Jois gave Todd direct permission to teach the Ashtanga Yoga lineage system in the United States. Todd continued to study with Sharat after Sri K. Pattabhi Jois's passing. Todd also studied at the Ashtanga Yoga Center with Tim Miller in San Diego from 1998 to 1999 and with Rolf Najakai in Thailand in 2007. We are truly blessed to have someone of Todd's caliber and experience being a contributing teacher here on Fusion Body Studio. So if you would like to practice with Todd on Fusion Body Studio, you can enter discount code AYA20 at checkout. AYA20, that stands for Ashtanga Yoga Atlanta. Todd's Shala here in Atlanta, Georgia, one of the busiest shalas in the whole southeastern United States. So if you enter discount code AYA20 at checkout for Fusion Body Studio, you will get 20% off your tuition at Fusion Body Studio for the next 6 months. On top of that, you get 7 days of a free trial before your credit card is charged. Our Tier 1 price at Fusion Body Studio is $25 a month. That gives you access, unlimited access, to the full library of all of our workout videos, including Todd's videos and my videos and Cindy's videos and other teachers' videos, a whole library of fitness boutique and at-home gym at your fingertips for only $25 a month. That is quite a deal. That basically is a price of a drop-in at a yoga studio here in Atlanta, Georgia. But if you want more than that, you can go up to Tier 2, which is $40 a month, which gives you unlimited access to all of the exercise classes, but also gives you access to the workshops, where we have workshops over the Bhagavad Gita, health, healing, and beyond, the teachings, the holistic teachings of Krishnamacharya, and a Vedic chanting course led by Todd Roderick, as well as Todd is one of the few teachers in the United States that's qualified to teach Vedic chanting. With already low prices and a 20% discount on top of that by using code AYA20, you cannot go wrong with this deal. And we look forward to seeing you over on Fusion Body Studio, where you have the opportunity, the unique opportunity to practice daily with master teachers from all over the world. We look forward to seeing you on the mat.